Ethereum is projected to grow to at least $10,000 this bull season. The current price is about 3,300, and if this prediction comes true, that is a 3x from its current price. For perspective, if you buy $100 worth of Ethereum and it does this, that is $300. 1,000 will be $3,000 and 10,000 will be $30,000. What I want to show you in this video is how to squeeze out more profit from Ethereum. That is a 6x to a 9x. So instead of $300 to $30,000 profit, we're looking at $600 to $90,000 profit. Of course, it all depends on the amount you put into the trade. You can also use this strategy on other crypto, but to minimize possible risks, I recommend you stay above the top 10 coins on CoinMarketCap. For this strategy, you will need two tools. The first one is the position size calculator. This is available on the App Store and also on the Play Store. The second one is your Bybit account. Right now, if you use the link in the description to create and verify a Bybit account and make a deposit of $100 within 7 days of creating the account, you will receive a $500 position airdrop. You can use it to trade any of these cryptocurrency trading pairs, and whatever profit you make from them is yours to keep. This promotion, however, will end on 18th of December. You can also join my Telegram channel to receive trade signals from me and my team to make amazing profits. Another reason I like Bybit is that it allows you to create as many sub accounts as you want. I personally like to use different sub accounts for different strategies and leave the main account for P2P trading. But I know some countries don't allow Bybit, so if your country is among, then check the description for my other recommendation. So what are the steps for this strategy? First, we'll look at the Ethereum chart. So this is Ethereum's weekly chart. Ethereum is projected to grow to $10,000 in this bull season. If you believe it won't go below $2,000 before this move, then $2,000 is going to be your stop loss. But if you believe it's going to go below this, you can take $1,500 or $1,140 as your stop loss. I'll be going with $2,000. Now the next thing you do is to open your position size calculator. So I want to do this with a capital of $1,000. So I'm going to enter $1,000 here. Then my risk will be 100%. My entry, the current price is 3,357 and my stop loss is 2,000. My trade amount, I'll also enter 1,000. This simply means my leverage is going to be 2.5x leverage. If Ethereum does 3x and we enter with a 2.5x leverage, that is a 7.5x return instead of just a 3x return. So I'm going to make this trade with $1,000 just to show you guys. If I go under trade, I'll make sure that futures is selected because we're trading futures. Then I'll search for Ethereum ETH USDT. Now click on trade. Before I take this trade, let's do some settings. So these three dots at the top right corner, click on it and click on trade preference. Make sure that the position mode is hedge. If your own is not hedge, go and change it to that. Then I'll come here, then come back here, and the 10x leverage, change it to 2.5. Now one thing I like about Bybit is that it allows me to enter fractional leverage. Most exchanges don't do that, but with the position size calculator you can actually find a way around this. So click on save. Of course, enter the amount. It is $1,000 I'm going with. If you click on the USDT, make sure that what is selected is order by cost. Click on confirm, and I have market selected because I want to enter the trade immediately. Then I'll click on open long. Now my liquidation price is 2,031. Okay, so confirm. So I am now in this trade. Mind you, I'm entering this trade for the long run. So this strategy I just talked about is not without risk. If Ethereum goes below $2,000, I will lose the whole of the $1,000 I put into this trade. So I need a strong conviction that the Ethereum is not coming to $2,000 but on its way to $10,000. One other way to also mitigate against this risk is that if Ethereum drops in price closer to my $2,000, I can open more positions. That way, I will not get liquidated at $2,000. Another way to ensure you don't get liquidated at all is by using Umoja Saints. I'll make videos about it and I will also link them in the description of this video. And if futures trading is new to you, you should click this video here to watch a step-by-step guide on how to trade futures profitably.